What up guys, Alex here, GuitarForce.com. So as you can see today we're going to take a look at Evil Woman by Black Sabbath. Actually this was covered by Black Sabbath. The original band is called Crow, who played that song. And this lesson is going to be probably the shortest the lessons that I did, because it's a very simple song, especially the rhythm parts. We're going to cover the rhythm parts and the solo as well. I think it's a really sweet solo that Tony did. I don't know if you're going to need any tabs but for the rhythm part, but the tabs for the solo are going to be available for free at GuitarForce.com. As well as the backing track. All of the links are going to be in the description box down below. Nothing really much to say about this song, so we're going to just get right into it. The tuning for this song is going to be standard, and for the sound I was using the VST plugin Guitaric. I'm going to show you the picture of the preset right now that I was using for this lesson, and while you are checking it out I'm going to play you my low E so you can tune up and play along with this lesson. One more thing before we start the lesson, I'm going to post a link to the cover playthrough of this song. If you want to check out the solo plays up to speed, you can see it there. The link is going to be in the description box down below. So yeah, that's it. Let's go for the close-up and start the lesson. Alright, so we're going to break up this song into parts. We're going to start off with the intro part. We have two guitars going on there, so one guitar is playing rhythm throughout the entire song. The second guitar is adding some ad-libs and also playing the solo and also playing the rhythm part. So you have two guitars going on there. So the rhythm guitar for the intro, we have 4 chords. Starts off with the B flat. You can play it here or you can play it here. Then the second chord is in the F. Third chord we have A flat. And the last is E flat. And the second guitar is playing kind of melody. So when we go to the second chord, which is an F, sliding into the 5th fret on the G string, then picking the 6 on the B and slide up. That's the first part. And then the second part, the rhythm guitar is playing the A flat, and the second guitar. So here 8, 7, and then pull off 8 to 7 again. 10 on the D string, and then the rhythm guitar is going into the E flat, and we're playing these notes, the 8 frets on the D string. Okay, like that. So that's the intro part. After that we go into the verse. The verse is pretty simple. We have, before going into the verse, actually kind of the main riff of the song is this one. So just 2 chords, F going to G, then we have rest, and then repeating again. When we get into the verse, halfway through we have a modulation going to D to E, so exactly the same rhythmical pattern, but we just play it here. I mean, you can play it here if you want to, D to E, but as far as I know, Tony, you know, he loved to use the lower string, so I would think, I have never seen him play, but I would think that he would play it on the lower strings here, so going D to E. And then we return back to the F to G, so on and so forth. So that's the riff for during the verses. And next part we have is the chorus. Chorus also has 4 chords. Starts off with the B flat again. Again, you can play it here, you can play it here. And we pick each of the chords 2 times, so 2 quarter notes. So the second chord is an F, then we have A flat, and B flat again. So we have, and then we go back to playing the main riff of the song for 2 times, and then again repeating the riff for the chorus. Like that. So that's the part, that's the riff during the chorus. So after the chorus we go right into the second verse, and it's exactly the same as the first one, with the exception of there is a variation when they transition to the D to the E part. The second guitar is adding just a little variation on the rhythm when it's playing the 4th time. So it's playing. So 4th time we just pick the D chord, slide into E, then pick it a few times, then slide back to the D again. Something like that. And that's the only difference with the first verse. After that part we go straight into second chorus, which is also exactly the same as the first one. And the only difference there, in the end of the second verse, right before we go into the solo, there is a build-up, which is palm muted and triplets played on the 1st fret of the low E string, the F note. So we played for 2 bars right after the chorus. So if I would play it together with the chorus, it's going to be like this. Okay, and that's the only difference with the first chorus. Okay, so these are the main parts of the rhythm guitar of the song, and we have another part which is the solo, and we're gonna break it down into 2 parts. The first part is playing like this. So here I'm kind of combining 2 guitars together, so playing the F to the G chord, and then we have this part. So double stops, 3rd fret on the 2nd and 3rd strings, and we play them on the off beat. Little rest, then we have the double stop on the 5th fret, then slide bend, both of the strings. Bring it down, then play 5th fret here, so, and then just hammer on 3-5-3, go into the 5th fret on the D string. One more time. And we play this riff for 2 times. So that's the first part of the solo. And then when we go to the when we transition to the D to the E part, we go into the sort of main solo, playing single notes. It's all based on the E minor pentatonic. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna be explaining each string and every fret that I'm playing. I'm just gonna break it up into parts. I'm gonna play them slowly, and then you will see that in the tablature exactly what frets and what strings I'm playing, and then I'm going to put it together and play the whole solo slowly. So we're going to start off with the first phrase, goes like this. One more time. Second phrase continues from the first one, so we have the bend, and then one more time. Third phrase. time. Next phrase. One more time. And then the last part, the last phrase goes like this. One more time. Alright, so now I'm going to play the whole solo, all of the phrases together back to back. Slowly it's going to be like this. Alright, so after the solo, structure-wise, we go back to playing the chorus, and then after that we go into the last verse, and after the last verse we have the chorus, and we end the song with the chorus, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, that was it for this lesson. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also comment, share, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you can stay updated with the newest videos when I release them. In the meantime, take it easy. Don't forget to visit GuitarForce.com for more guitar lessons. In the meantime, I'll see you again. Take it easy, and as always, let the force be with you.